This time, Mother Earth reminded people of such a phenomenon as an earthquake of magnitude 7.2 that occurred in Peru and Bolivia. A powerful earthquake of magnitude 7.2 occurred on Thursday morning in the vast territories of Peru and Bolivia. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, the earthquake occurred in southern Peru in the Andes, north of Lake Titicaca. There were no emergency reports of injury or damage from the earthquake, and no tsunami warning was issued. The USGS said the quake hit about 220 kilometers underground, at a depth that typically causes less damage than smaller seismic events. The earthquake began around 7:02 local time. Buildings in the Peruvian cities of Arequipa and Cusco, as well as in La Paz, Bolivia's capital, swayed as the tremors swept through the region, AP reported. Areas closest to the epicenter experienced strong shaking but limited damage. The tremors were probably felt even in parts of western Brazil and northern Chile. Earthquakes in Peru are not uncommon, as the country is located in the collision zone of the South American and Nazca tectonic plates. The movement of the plates means that much of the Pacific coast, in America and Asia, is often subject to geological activity, including earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The Andes Mountains and a number of volcanoes in southern Peru were partly formed by the movement of tectonic plates. The USGS said a 7.0 magnitude quake was also in 2019 near the site of Thursday's quake. The processes taking place on the planet indicate changes not only in climate, but also geologically. By subscribing to the channel, you will have information about events on the planet for discussion, and maybe we can all stop global climate change by working together. Be with us. Thank you for watching.